What's up guys, Tim from Olsen Motorsports. Today we have a product reveal and this is Cargraphics. I think it's the first one in the States. 964, inch and 5/8, everything stainless steel. It's inch and 5/8 primaries, 100 CEL cats with heat. So we have the heater tubes come out here, up back into the factory location with proper catalytic converters, and then my favorite feature, valved exhaust. So this is probably hot. Is that hot? That's not too hot. Come here, Keith, let me show you this. So we have a valve on here, electronically controlled, and that's normal, and then up is open. So we wired this one into the interior, and it's, as far as I know, it's one of the first and actually one of the nicest valved exhausts. So by opening the valve, then we come straight out of the cat and it's a straight dump instead of coming through the muffler. So the muffler mounts in the stock location, and then we're gonna fire it up in just a second after I get this lift down and show you what it sounds like. After we go through the world's most annoying rack. This is the world's most annoying rack. You know what happened? I put my Raptor on here one day, you know? And then the next day it started making all these noises. I think we bent something. So, back in the back, the kit comes with a full harness. We actually mounted the switchover valve here so we can grab engine vacuum, and then we split it off of the intake here. Ran all the wires forward into the car, and then we used a factory sunroof switch. Because this car is super custom, so we took the sunroof out and put in the steel replacement. So we're just using the factory sunroof switch. And so it's a latching switch, so it maintains its memory of where you had it closed. So, that's gonna be the close position. So on this one, it's 97 decibels at the tailpipe, which sounds really loud, but then if we rev it up, this is still a factory 102 at about 3,000 RPMs, and then if we hit the switch, yeah, at idle, probably about 110, 108 decibels. Not much in the pitch change, but overall value. About 130 decibels on the high end of it, right at 130 decibels at full song. So, comes with stainless steel. Comes with stainless steel tips. You can Cerakote them, powder coat them, whatever you want to do. We'll probably match the Cerakoting on this to give it a little bit sinister of a look, but overall super happy with how it turned out, and hope you guys are too. Thank you. Thank you.